Coco-chan, do you want more chicken? More? Do you want more chicken? More? Good girl. Good girl. You want more chicken? You like chicken, don't you? You like the chicken? Dakota's first chicken. We're 9 months old. Yummy chicken. Need some more? More? More chicken? Good job! You have chicken stuck on your face. You would like more chicken? More chicken? My goodness.